kadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ki MDC ki badan hapok kalama jong ka United Democratic Alliance ki balakam baki lakiu biang ha ka jingbon pat ka ba arphongon ha ka pratrik kulalingkot arajar arpho hapok ka jingalam jong ba tenwel dakhar ki la le ikendo yong menteri rang ba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma bon patha e ulat ka jela u RN Ravi ba on khot pelong no ya ka dorbar bakerpang jong ka ying dorbar thawan ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council na ka binta ben i ya ka jingbon pat jong ka ni ka kenhun hapok ka ying dorbar shwaban jiet yo Chief Executive Member Upathama jong ka council ha ka jinga kran bot MDC jong ka National People's Party uba penia sing CM ulai thu ba ka kenhun jong ka UDA ka balakio biang ha ka jingbon pat da ka jingwan peniso jong u MDC Congress uba bat Cameron tathiang bat ka MDC Shimet ka Congress Mary Kharpuri kala pen kre ban pen i ya ka jingbon pat ha ka dorbar pekerpang jong ka ying dorbar thawan shwa ban chimti biang ya ka Executive Committee hapok ka council
rom la ngop su ne yo ban ya krem ya jika itu begini krem dan stand ini kan dua stand sih tu la batha ini kan siu prepare di to dengan apa yang tu di to sambil mutasi de kurang ini mulai bulan kam within these few days apa ini to ni skim le
jam matai lagi dari badan apa begitu to
tinggi kuah ni pun penuh noi ka session special session soman exposition ini yo no perlu juga numbers ko ni nang yo no isi nama ko bukan akan ada bertanya dengan isi diskusi kata ini nak yang jong chief minister la sibia within these days apa kata ni sini kat balai apa ni kau
nak yang kekenhun United Democratic Alliance UDA antai pok HDC kaba lailam ni ka isi prabanai mensyua hadin ba ka numbers jongi ni lahir syakhat khat samut te bat katu kat nipor ki perlok na ka wei pa kekenhun kilawan ban ajing kershan kata kalong iba bat scam retatiang ibelong MDC Congress na maira bat ikong Grace Mary Kharpuri ibelong i Congress MDC na long shiken independent te kini armut kila penklanch isu ikan ka kenhun UDA ke jungi ka ba menta baro ni kan numbers ni la kan remun te dei halor kani ka ba penlong ini nadu let's say ki toyok bladap bagi la long la kloi bat la long ready ban wan syaka sarkar ban yathu ya ka jingdan jungi ni ki numbers ya ka bagi kwa ban dan no ikan ka special session ban khot no special session namta ban jit UCM bat mai namar ba kai tingkhu pat ki shuti Christmas New Year te ka pendile ya ka ni ka jing thu jungi hadu mentak singi ka pratarik Henry ka jing kendu jungi ba CM kalong ka ba seso New York assurance ba apo ki ka tu ka ni singi laban pendap no ini ka kam ka bla sa teng mentala jan arpanai te akabede ka jing keli jong i ba reporters abede ba kata ka administrator rule ya kata ka de ka jing sngo jong ka government ka jing pen pau jong government haki tu ki kendiat tayo bradam ya kata ngim don ni eban kran ka yang jungi na ka yang jungi ngilong bitang ka wi kasur na ki di e bangi kwa ban ka government ka shipkya but governor secretariat bagian penbaik no ikatarik jong ka special session baik na ka yang jungi ya governor hendai ta ka Shong hakakam
Shong ka sha
Shong hakakam la da kap lu ni la lo ready ban dai sha kayin jong governor kumbalong himenta umdan isi hantai ngim ya kran UCM ngim kran UCM nomor kumbangi i ya ka media report ru lingba ka government ru kampat itu hadu menta na ka DCA department ka bade ban notify ya ka kerteng jong uni bala syajit komisi yang floor jong house ru 4 notify taka bomut nakaliang ka DCA department 4 itu naga government 4 itu te ngim ya kran ya uni individual ringing ya keren ya ka jingbom dan ya ka isi executive committee namar bentala jan arbanai ka jing linear ki pai ba ka jing ut jingnam jong pai ba ha ka bide ba ka jing dan kam jong pai ba habawan haba council namar bom dan ka authority ban pendap ka kam
Pia kata ni lah, macam konstitusionali ketika dai ni kebom dai kita nak kau benar. Kebomut, ia kata balai baklam itu mentaya kita ki extreme komiti member tu, di bawah lah propose. Kamu dai ke kam jongi benar ben balai ulah balai kudam lah. Dia kata kalau benar di kono kecingnya, ngintip dia kata.
Sakawai ru
Kan lagi long concern dia kena bakam lan ke extreme.
Sa aku dudukkan
Kecil, cuba cakap benda yang kubah. Ini muda tang yang gudi, ini muda ke distrik boleh kau. Senang ini lagi, tekam kecam parok asal. Di, kamu VTP, apa tung you CM ne ya, what you headman don't come to sana. Tu kamu no function without sana. Kelam ordain dia, he is already CM elect, Bush elect. Immediately when you elect somebody, he should be sworn in, he should be ordained. Lalu dia kata kalau bo yang distrik Brokawai itu ya distrik Ibarat. Dia kata Misukia, yo piong Misukia tang nang bentak yudi ni. Misukia ya ke distrik Brokawai. Nomor bukam dan ka administration berbit biang balik. Ya nang salam kesosial ke kadar ke kemain kecil kam tam mungkin ibat try kita ke bil room yo so. Nomor bonggan executive committee.
Deban function ke isi lada dan armut sheneng ki am. Henry mentaru kumbangi i ba nakaliang jong bala tiblam i file da ka case sha high court. Haka be dei ba kaniki sawut ki am te ya kataru le singin kwa iban batai bon namar ba ka kam kadang sa po ba yang bisa ka badan burom joka megalaya high court. Nakaliang jongi ngila pentip ba haka house of 29 ngi mentang ngila dan khat reward kamumut ka majority ngila dot te ngi la pen i kata sya ka government ai ba ka government kan exercise ka don ya ka DCE department bakin pe yaki kilat nanti abede kata
Kani ketika bate CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haga pratarik ukelalengkot arajar arpo ka Jaintia Students Union kalalek ya kendo ya menteri jong ketenat kampo ieng ke sorkar jela u James K sangma ban pentip syu halor ka jingbum syong sngan syu jong ipait ba nong syong snong trairi traimuluk haga thain riwar dauki namar ka jing yolat ban wanrung laitlan jong ki breu na ri Bangladesh ki ba jumlien ban le ya ki kamruna ruser syapo upu usam jong ki snong ka thain riwar ki ba don markap bat ka ri Bangladesh. Nakaliang ka Jaintia Students Union haga jingya kendu yang menteri jong ketenat kampo ieng keladawa bak sorkar ka daiban ai hukum ya kisipai Border Security Force bagi daiban perking bha ya ka jing pahara hak haput bat banyai pahararu ha silenter jong surak ba ka banadu ka snong dauki syeduk snong nong talang banadu ka snong dauki syeduk ka snong Muktapur khnang ban khanglat ya ka jingwan prong bean jong runar nari Bangladesh syaupur usam jong ri India. Kaseng haga juk por kala dawaya ka sorkar jela bakadai ban bu ya ka wei ka anti dacoity camp bat ban batharu ya ki sipai BSF bakin perlong da ka jingya pahara leni ka joint patrolling bat ki pulit ka jela hasilanter jong ka khapot kari India bat Bangladesh
Naliang jong ni bat kunjuk ni kena bas nong bat ki elaka jong doloi darang bat doloi jong talang tingla yo benda keren ni kisi beladap te kerja keren kolong ba kumno ban pembiang ya ki pulit hang tega jaka te namar ka komplain mengiyo ka dei baga jing duna plat ki pulit apo ka dauki police station te kumju ro ka tega sub police outpost plan po Muktapur te kumju ro ka jing duna plat ki BSF apo kita ki outpost yang ka dauki bar ka Muktapur te kuma PE nadu ka sngi khandru trek ki ga baja ka ba arngut ki kun samla na kasnong lamin hadin ka jinga tho ke bu iki brio sapo dauki hadin wilit phas snong te ka jarang khat ki kendo ya kani ka jingja ka ba susi bat ka ba pendio mensia mingi khamtam ki ba dei na kasnong setika than ke ba ka than tong ka kaput Bangladesh. Te hakate kesni marmar la ra yo ta wei naki ba syapom da kawat haki kenhun ki ba kumba khalangut ki kenhun jo ki khar Bangla. Te nginam la ban bentikina ki khar Bangla handrai ngaku abang ba hawai ngong ba klam di khar Bangla namar balai habai kerem bo ni unong pang utin san khongla ong ba ki kerem bai de tin khar Bangla. Te kila maham ru yaki bagi ong ba lada phimla ban sian rulak ki pha phone chi ring nyolak ka pisa te nginam pelat MVP te ngin otro yo podot MVP kum ot belang dala poi sepo region ki sepo Bangladesh te ong ba kini ki beriu kila ya keren pramaki de klien Bangla te frangut na preng jongki kidai ki anmas kimdan kidai ki bom te ya kadur khmat jongki te henry way na preng jongki te kadur khmat te ngin leng ka seng gizang menyo ya kata ka dak niat i suthu ba imat kodan ke ba ke jingdon ki connection nang ba ki local dan ni lam nong de khasi ni de u dakhar na andre kani la lam khamat de ki brik batte bhai gulti singking ki barung na India se Bangla ani dauki lagi thain dauki se Bangladesh te kani de ka kam ka balle de ki kunhun nasnga la nong bi kunhun nong tu nang ta ki ba ja bat ki balle ini ki kam ni ki khaput ini ki lunch rock bodar jungi na po umkiang ter su muktupur dauki te kani kam de kasi menengkong ni thu ipi kadi kasin ke bahasa aja ko bahasa sin sansin hakate ka ju ka jaka te kini kisnong khamtam ke dauki ke bokur kimju yo ban batai saki wei pan hajing sisa ke jingrung ki Bangla ka janlong janman kasngi angtai handrai ke basusi pat na kibreu ki jongi ki bosdon hagabor kim shona pushe ke bakitai kibreu jongi ki kendu ki jinge ante ke jaka te nagliang jongi mentakasni marmar iwan ban bu open ban home minister u James Sangma te ke basna kolong bo pudiang ya kata ke jing kendu jongi kum kini ke state of urgency sa jaka jongi tinggal ayo ban keren bodu te halor ki santli ki mat te ke banungkong kumbau ong osi jong te ke jaka ong ba keduna plat kita ki police personnel te ke diman jungi kolong ba dim penpun no ki police personnel te ke baar kedai ba kate ke jaka ki bagi PSF ki syong makir ki ong kumju bagi duna plat kita PSF te nagaliang jong home minister ying lai kan yu bon tha ya ke bor jong ki te ke bor jong DG ban kerem ki BSF ban penbun ya kita ki sipai BSF ha kita ki jaka ban patrolling ru kita ki jaka te ke balai umban si am condemn ya ke police department namar ba kum bandong kani kam isu kasi menengkong handai kelajan ka por bat ki beriu jong bakur dokumen ka por ki ju ai ya ke complain ha kita ki jaka te imat ka case reference ya kani ka isu ka kon tang ha police station hapo dokin ha muktapur hakita ki police station ban hapo kaput kam jupa imat sakamit jong kini ki DG jongi nani si home minister te kani ki si menengkong ko bantiet ya kani ka jingkhang secretariat langba jong home minister high level purang ka power baun bata ya kini ki bahapo jong u baki dai ban simkhya ketika jaka nama beri ke jaka barang open space ru menta baka fencing gamdon ketika jaka ka balai luit ke bagi khar Bangla ki le ke bamon ki rung ke bamon teng ki wantu iki lieng teng wantu iki ma teng wantu iki siap ki jongi te nakalian jong seng simkhya ka ni ru bad dia kini ke information mi yo manai tasni gila pak kopi ru syakibai pat kita ki central government baka central government krim suthu bangi dan hapadeng kata ka jing kani ka situation nanti kolong volatile kalapan kala ya ka songsuk ka songsan ka jing songsingan jing brio jongi hantai anong yepi ka basusi ni ya yang ka bomon hari menta hapo andru bajing hari pa shrak jong snong te kumani ki por ke ba ki jing tho ki bon ki jing seng ki bon portlang tengi ipan jing rap no home minister bon penbiang ya ki brio jong u dan ki police department ha kita ki jaka tu lo ong hoi kedon ka short term ba solution ni jong u ka manlong ba kindon ka patrolling ba ulapan ru ka jaka ban bo ya kita ki sentry post ba de ka temporary camp jong ki pulit ang te ka jaka te nakliang jongi ma bo ong ba kindon kam ka jaka te iring ba snong dan even ong hadin jong a ban pensai kata te kindiat ru ong ka ban pensai hane ke basusi kolong ba ki BSF ban kami ke masih arbajim step laibajim step ki yo ban kem handrai ban kem pat yakini kinong duti ke pop na po Bangladesh kim simla le kata kim simla simkhia ke duty ke bala patha ki te nying yong bala da min simbrio kan do khamtam hakini ki thang jongi kan mantoi yu indon ki PSF ni ki pulit ka jaka jongi
din melai kan do ya ba jam ode min star jong step jongi tinggal yo sim na jing kula jung ba simkhia ni jing jia ba jia kini snong ki than kapot te kumba long menta long banyan nujor berkiwe berkisnem menta ka jingrung jung khar bangla po song jungi kala asar khai ka jingrung jungi kalong sngi ban mit men sngi ru ki rong kumbayat person kumbayat daulan ata nang ling song jungi kala ile stam makat ka jing lang bat oc pulit nang ta ban telakam men sngi re men mit pedengim lai kan ni te ka jingrung kalong kadau kalong ba akaling ispai BSF ni ku menshwa ki ispai BSF ro khai ki jaka ki dan ta bun ba ki jaka ba kim dan ki jaka ki ba ki ju yang menshwa menta kim yang shu te kap ni ba nangling junga hi ngapan dem ki BSF nama de meki ba shong kapot de meki ki bala siu bisa sarkar ki bagin shong ba sngi ban mit hang tu ban ap yo put sam jangka ri jungi te nangling jungki kila senjor ki jing kam kimla ban telakam kamot kim sim kia shu tadi nak kata hadau kain ba bat sngi ban mit nu khar banglau la shur rungkai sebuah ka snong jungi barang de snong jungi na snong jungi sakiro keleng tenga persya ya kan ga jing te kam ba kam ayu jung PSF sim sim kia tenga sim yang ga benta long ban itu pi ba kan ga jing jia ga je ga sngi ru trek kam de ga jing jia ga ba tang ka tu ga sngi sembala dep ro ga jing jia la janman ga mit hi ki bu ma ga bro strok national highway tu ha ka jo hi ga jaka remen sim snem hadin ba sim kia jung police station nang ta ngi ga ma snong la pha duti ya ki VDP jung snong jungi kat jing tei lang bat pulit te kala kenja no tengi nangmut bakam dan syu rementa kesan-kesan kene kelas tang bin menjia ha ka juga jaka te kuman super khat ku jaka kala de jaka ka ba bahat trai ya kini gi news new ni khar bangla la ni ginungti kat kum report ku ya men sim snem ngi ya ba de khar bangla hi mentar ngi ya ba de khar bangla hi re ngim la ban peti kana ba de khasi yo i ba de khar bangla te kene ka jing long jing man men nin kamit ru ham do jam dapur kirung di kharbangla tu krisnong nangta ki ot yu tu rong ba ko be ying nangta wat kini BSF benang tur ki tur ki saot te kan lei kana lanang pen sir su yangi ba shong kapot te galong ikin thei khna menta kim don jing sok ila don dengan jing shifting panang lei ha po shong jing lei ka jing tu jing them kane nang kapor po shong jing ba ko da ki ba shong kapot kan lei kam dei ka sin ga ba ning kong dei ka sin ga badan benjamin ki pon wela katar ro ngila ban te lakam na kaling stang kat jing te lang jung kulit rek ba mai kene jing buk mau be ha national highway kene ga lek wan jong bar khoj pa ba bahir ba kiu nang ma kene stang ji te ngi dawa ke long na sarkar ba kan penbun kulit penbun BSF bermesim ke kene na ma ka sung san kan wan biang ha ka stang ji njur ka tan ji boleh sibu
Kani kadega bate CTV bat pidang pet ya ki khubor baman kasni balwan rashe pi da ka orange nisan lom so pho near Fabricate Shillong ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong Langkarding Shillong admissions open now.
Kakenhun runar balaking atiar daki tiar pen mensau daki white bagi suloi ia ki bala suba bagi dai ki nongsong snong jongari Bangladesh hakapor kumba khat arbiji stengsnia hapren gamet jongga hnyo bat pratari ku kelalengkot arhajar arpo kilawan thambor ia kawai galong yeng hak snong amdo kabaha bapa upu rusam jongga West Jaintia Hills District hagani kijing jau ba pratap bare ubala yada yala ka jong ka kmi ya ka kurem bad yala ka khun kan thei badangrit ulaman sau jur na ka menta jong ka khti hadien bola sha mai ta ka wait kat kum ga e jahar bala mudui da uba ai borlang nong lamen uba dei ukhon jong ka kong bima nong lamen ulai tho bakani ka konhon ki runar kila lutieru ya ka pisa ka balon laifusan hajar tingka ya ka mobile phone bad ya ka sni thep pisa ka badon ya ka ATM card ka ID card bad ki wei ki kot kisla Hagni gajuk amit wei usipai Border Security Force na pedengki nong apara harong tilang border outpost ubakerteng usif Shankar Day u head constable ulaman saujur hadin bola sya tambor haga kenhun jong girunar nari Bangladesh kibawan prongtu usau put usam jong gari India ban le yaki kam runar ruser bad ban pentriem persya yaki pai ba nong snong jong kathain riwar kibasyong basa hak haput jong gari India bat ka Bangladesh. Yauniu sipai BSF lawan kit no syaka hospital jong ke BSF kabadon hanong ba Shillong ban yo ke jing sumar.
Kani kate ke Batisi TV bat pidang pet ya ki khubor baman kasni balwan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan lom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haga hinyau tarik ukla lengkot Arajar Arpho, haga por kumba san sipawa AA Janmit. Lightly ki yeng syong brio ki badon haga kentot snong dongbir, kabahap hapok snong pendeng umyong jongga Mairang Civil Subdivision, kila kela depay, hadien bakading kabaklang bah kala bamdu ya gini ki yeng. Ya kadau tenrai halor jing plu jong gini ki yeng, ompat simlala setiap bantip haduk mentah. Kat kum ke jingtip balayo lum, layat ho baki don tangki kena hagene ge yeng ki badang sat tiar syabar, bat kensan-kensan kilayo ya ka ding ke baklang, bat marmar kila lek ban pentip ya kene ge jingja syaki para marjan. Ki artli ki yeng bala ingkong khat gidei ki jong ikong ailes lengkoi, bat kawai pat ka bala kemding lang bat ingkong hagene ge jingja, kade ka yeng jong ikong tailes lengkoi. Arteli ki kali pelip ding na Mairang kila her marmar syaka ni ke jaka ban tem ya ke jingklang jong itilik ding shwa baka ding kan pur syaki waipat ki yeng ki badon markap na mar ke jingjur syaba palat jong ke ding lawan ai jing rap shu saka wai ka kali pelip ding na soyong ka wai na nongstoin bat ka waipat na maungap. Ki officer jong Mairang Civil Subdivision bakun tup ya Subdivisional Officer u Block Development Officer bat u Subdivisional Police Officer ka Mairang tang shuyo jing tip halor gani ke jingja marmar kila her sya gani ke jaka ban penlong ya ke jing tokit ke babnya halor gani ke jing julor.
Gani ke jing pulu kerja hakpor san si pawai san si pawai bagi jing sedang jong ke jing pulu jong gani ke yeng hadir mengala keli benia kalong ke sedang na ko kamera ban na ke jaka buum jika site tiar dia mi geding bidon lagi kena jadian kata kemud bidon segi bayu itu kalau sedang ban kelang geding jadian kata kemud pak ba langsung senong lemi panyarap dia ban kensai kan balai dia melak di telefon terbikit bala lik ban syau terbikit badin pesan minit terbikit kawan dan dari nomor kejing stat juga kelang juga geding la pelong bayi kawi kai yeng kalau bamdu ke yeng jokong ailes lingkoi bat ke yeng jong kong tailes ling khoi ru beran hasenda marjan jong karu kemud kala kemding lang bat kumba ar kamera balai kamera kemud kini ke yeng ru kala plu kala ing ti ke basa kalong setang ke yeng syatja ko kamera ke ba kading kampat dayo bha ti kini bro artli kemud ke yeng kila julor bha kat kum ka kat kum ke jing bamdu jong kini keding menta ke janmir ti da ke jing yarap jong pai ba nong song snong lagi bebun kala se kala kamerap ti yeng ke marjan na ke benta ya kaban peum yaki kena bukan di geding kena melak ban kem syakini ke yeng ke badon marjan basenda jongka di ka jing flu hi kalong tagi di ke arti ki yeng ne ke ke yeng ke la light no ke jing rap jongki pat ba ha kaban ya rap ya kaban tem ya geding ka bakalang lembak ke jing flu di ke arti ki yeng ya tan kata hi ke bagi yoi di nakalang juga fire service kalau ai ka di syakri ke babiang ni melak ban ong ba maria phun mengi siminit kan poino nomor bekerja karu kamlong baji nak ni stesen penembiong bejongi de misiam bakapor ke biang bakapor bagawan de balala ban pelip mentah de gading borok ke bedon hapo jeng di arti ki
nang mut benwan khat phan kudam pi ba de ten pur ke smeing ni ngamang gina kudam no wax mat chat ha po kudam de ngamang de chat tao kan sebi ni kan so dei rung chani yung malik ani ke ingka yung semare patung on menteri perkit picture sport pian nge masuang iba ngong klui di perkit ngong kala ilok ke yung sti coba osman bi yung tong nge wang la suker klak teng la stomet yang ngamel do la stomet ke yung la sos nei mo pramarjan te kain ba la do la osman bi klak wan ki kon ki mai ko nge bi mai pit omat sek spa patha thit ago go ba ki wali la do ska yung skasam te kain ba ko nglap nge ngalap te makong imak nan alung hayong tep bibile tra ding nang nak tep nang ngawan ngala dep sme de bibile nang nak tep thì sĩ trayung thì là cái lạ bên tiệt mu mai về mu ý nói con nó còn quăng
Jadi dengan nang kong hanoi saya ding kita kita kon su chong bukan nah wah kawan kendang ada yung kanoi kawan kendang yung baik kanoi man dia kendang kan ang kayong mana kalau enjoy kayong mana hante punya hair kata oh la yang kading oh pas nang kasangon kaya ram saya usnai oh beli kan menganakan dia yang ano Hamte ng berulap kilayan ron na yang sana sayo.
Sony has opened its first exclusive brand shop in Dankeri, Shillong, with a state-of-the-art ambience where you can experience the latest innovation and technology of Sony products under one roof. Come and experience the best-in-class Bravia OLED wide range of Dolby Atoms, home theater, party speakers, DSLR imaging devices, headphones, etc. Special festive offer now available. Visit today and feel the complete entertainment experience like never before. All products available on Easy Finance with 0% interest. Sony Center, Shillong, Gems Arcade, Malki, Dankeri, Shillong. Parking available. Contact 908 9025 788.
Kajilla ka babun kisap, kalong kajilla ka bapaho kam. Shimbenta haka free skill training bat ka limpung penrung kam, hapo ka supporting human capital development in Meghalaya.
Jetwings, the leader in quality training and assured placements in the airlines, hospitality and tourism sector in Northeast India. We offer diploma courses in airlines, hospitality and tourism management with a 100% placement guarantee. Jetwings has been awarded in category of India's Best Institute in Placements at the India Skill Summit in January 2015 at New Delhi by ASSOCHAM. Contact us at the given numbers or visit us at Upland Road, Lattenkra, opposite to St. Margaret School. Come, fly with the leader. Want to stay fit and strong? Why waste your time at the gym? Get your own fitness equipment from one of the largest showrooms in Shillong. Visit Fitorium at Nongthamai, Shillong. Here you can get the best and the latest equipment available at a reasonable price with certain discount like treadmill, multi-bench, AD exerciser, home gym exercise cycle like cross trainer, upright bike, dumbbells and a variety of sport materials available too. For more details, please visit Fitorium at Nongthamai Main Road, Shillong or call at the number 94023 88399 and 94367 95451 or email at cornelia2307.ck@gmail.com.
Kani kedai kedukan patmai nak benta baro kitiarte yeng paki bat yeng mala ke juk pamenta. Kiba bha bat kiba pakatam kum tiles ki rong bathaba ki deng parda ba itana ki sanmai ka bat wallpaper jingkhang yet bat jingkhang ba UPVC ka septic tang ready made bat pon ki wei pat ki tiar kat kum ga jingkwa jongpi leidrung no menta ha Apex Marketing KL Complex ha persya ka office nepco dam senyong la ne phone not line real sao arsan not new line arsao
Kani kadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ki samna puli jong skol ba North Eastern Hill University kabadan hapok syatri jong ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union ringkat ba ka jinges nok tilang jong ka Research Scholars Forum bat ki samna puli berem jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru University Delhi haka pratrik kulalingkot arajar arpho ki la penrem jore ka jingshat hombor jing samna puli ki runar haka santrik benai kulalingkot arajar arpho ha Jawaharlal Nehru University Delhi nakaliang ka ni husu ka Research Scholars Forum bat kisamla puli barem jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru University Delhi ha ka jingalang belingkot ka bala pelong ha phalau jong ka Central Library Nehru Shillong kila pen pa pai ba paki ai ka jingas nok ti jong ki bat kisamla puli jong ka JNU ha ka juk opor kila pen rem ru ya ki tu ki reu trans nam ki bla hiar thma ya kisamla puli boloi jong ka JNU ha bakran ni jingalang nakaliang u president jong ka Nehru su usamla Yeshua Lingdo ula pendam jur halor kani ka jingja bat pen pauru bakani husu kanyai dan rengkat bagi samla puli jong skol bat GNU Delhi.
We, the students of North Eastern Hill University, we stand together against such dastardly acts, against such cowardice acts that have been occurred, and we are against these acts of violence. And we see that the Gundaism mindset has taken over. We see the Gundaism mindset of the attackers, and we are against this. I stand here today for my counterpart in JNU, Madam Aisha Ghosh. She was brutally attacked, and we stand here in solidarity. We want our voices to be heard. We want our voices to reach the ears of the JNU students and teachers that were attacked. We stand here in solidarity. I also ask the members present here today to take out your phones, take pictures, take videos, share them on your Instagram to show that Nehru is against such heinous acts. We are against violence.
Being shown that they are not safe in their own campus. This kind of act, it started with Jamia, AMU, and now it has reached JNU. So we don't want another university or another campus to fall victim to this. So we are coming here together to protest and give a strong message that enough is enough. A campus is a free and a safe space. No one should come and bring along with them violence or hate or anything inside the campus. We are free to voice our opinions, and we respect even the dissent voices, but we should not show that we are more in number, will harass them. we are Indians. All of us are Indians. We are equals. So let us all respect each other. Let us save our democracy, and long live student power.
Obviously, as students, we have a right to protest if the fee goes up by 800%. That's how it all started. And in the middle of around 6-7 o'clock, you have a group of 30-40 guys who are hiding behind anonymity and thinking they'll not be discovered. Came inside the JNU campus. The lights were switched off, and they came with bricks and rods to attack students. And students, fearing for their lives, were locking themselves inside the rooms. And they're not safe. They're no longer safe in their own campus. And this is very sad because an academic or a university space is a space for different opinions, and that should be allowed. It's, if you have a different opinion, I'm not going to beat you, I'm not going to throw stones on you. In fact, we should open a debate and discussion so that we understand each other's view. But this is not what has been happening, right? You have a different view and your voice of dissent. That means you are anti-national or you're anti-government, and that is what is happening. They're beating people up for having a different view. So what is happening right now, what we're doing is that we are condemning such cowardice and attacking students just because they have a different view. So we will not allow our voices to be silenced. We will keep fighting, and I'm so happy to see that students everywhere, Nehu, I think even Assam, Tezpur, IIT, everywhere, abroad, they're all sending the solidarity with the students of JNU.
Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so pho ni Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ban penrem jur ya ke jing tambor jong ki kenhon runar ya ki samla pule jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru University Kabadon Delhi. Kumman syukdaw hang ni ka kenhon ki runar ki ba pen krep ha ya la de ki dieng bat ki narot bar ki balaka ru ya ki durkhmat ki la hertma ya ki samla pule jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru University ha ka santrik uklal kot arjar arpo bat punjulor ru ya ki tiar kitar jong ni ke skul ba bat nolor kataru ki tiet pen mensau ya bongut ki samla pule bat kentop ru ya ki nahikai jong ni ke skul ba. Hakabaya debat kani ka kenhon jong ka Batisi TV kala yo lat pania kren bat usamla pule barem jong ka Jawaharlal Nehru University uba Moses Karbithai bat usamla pule barem jong ka Delhi University utarun Bhartiya. Dongini sangap ayu kini ki arngut ki don ban ong bat ban kentho halor kani ki jingja kabala ja dangshen ha Jawaharlal Nehru University.
The very fact that India stood up for every creed in the world, irrespective of color, is something which is remarkable and experiment by itself. And today we are meeting this challenge. And if we can abide by it, this is what Mahatma Gandhi died for. He was assassinated because of it. And today, the very person who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi is being worshipped also by some segments of people here in this country. So it's a very dangerous phenomenon that's taking place. It reminds me, in fact, of the beginning of the Third Reich in Germany. So it's very, very dangerous. We cannot allow this, and all of us, I like your spirit, I like your passion, and let's continue with it.
I was fortunate enough not to be in campus during the incident, the violence that happened on the 5th, but the trauma that I felt was no less. My phone was bombarded with messages and videos of my fellow students crying out for help, who were locking themselves in their rooms. My hostel mates had to barricade themselves inside the hostels because the security guards fled the scene and nobody was there to protect them. Anyone could have entered the hostels and the worst could have happened to them, and myself too if I was there. So all that has happened leading up to the incident, JNU, I have to say, has been ridden with violence ever since I joined. A lot of tension, a lot of violence which has been caused by the right-wing party which is present in campus, which is ABVP, which has the support of the admin and of course the government. They have over and over again tried to subjugate and quell any dissent. They don't want to hear any of our opinions. They don't care about the demands of the students. They are hell-bent on making our life on campus a living hell. The police that was present there in that incident did nothing to help the students. They were merely watching as an audience, and which is a big shame. It's been happening in campuses across universities. The perpetrators still have not been booked. They're still like running around. They're still free. Whereas the JNUSU president, who was herself being hit on the head by a rod and has received 16 stitches, has been booked for vandalism. I would say that these criminals should immediately be put behind bars. The Delhi police should be held accountable for the violence that has happened. They should be answerable to the people. They are public servants, so they should give us answers as to why they were not present in campus that day, why they were standing outside the gates, why they locked everyone inside, and why the lights have been turned off. The ABVP must be disbanded, and the JNU VC should resign, because he turned his back on us and he put everyone's lives at risk.
Kuma play mensi play haga santarik ladon ke jingja ka ba syarkai ha JNU ha ka ba ki na pulie ki nong hikai wat ki karam cari bengyong ki nong tribala po JNU klasa attack ha ki ta ki brig wan nabar ki ba kumbangi sutu banta ki dai ki ABVP kemudian ke dai ki youth wing jong ke BJP ki bawan ban attack ki students namar ba play baro si arbanai lai banai ka don ka jingya ki apeng jong ki kena pulie amar kadang kejing persang jong ka JNU ban penkiu ya ka fees lani ya ka bai pulie jong ki kena JNU kumba ars pasha te ki student ha kini ki singi beladap kila penong ya ki strike kila penong ya ki protes befair but ha kini ki singi la ban sedang ya ka registration but kumba laai ka call na ka student union ki babon ki kena ki kan register show ban persya sia kan ni jing de thombor jong vice chancellor jong ka JNU ba jing de thombor jong ka sarkar India ban penkiu ya ka fees hang te po JNU te hukum ni ki kena ba pa po JNU ngala banong ba ka JNU ka wei ke university ka ba Diang ya baro kami ki bodok ki basok ki bawan na ki marginalized community kum ki ST ki SC ki OBC bat ki dan kita ki hotel ka bagi ai special kumanong weightage ya ki kena ki bawan na ki nong kendong re hak kini ki sistem beladap yang bagi dengan sarkar BJP la persyang ban penduk kita ki baro bat ki kwa ban pelong ya ki JNU kawai na ki university hak batang ki baru spa tang ki ba don ya ka bor bakila ban kuliah JNU te halor kini ke baro ngilai I bakadon ka nakaliang jong ka administration kimla ban ya negotiate bat ki student hanrai ki encouragement ban kita ki guns lani kita ki real cloud ki balai ban pen mensawi ki student kumbal lai po lai pu sawngut ki student kila mensaw ki ba kentop ru ya ki nong hikai te menta ka sngi wan hang ne ban pen pau ya ke jing don benta jungi bati kena po JNU kiba sya igini kijing sya thombor hakini kibor banong ba ngiru kinong Shillong kinong Meghalaya kinong North East ngiyang ban kersan ya kijing demand kejongki barhakani klimat ngi demand artli ke kabaning kong kolong bagi to ke badan keti hapo kani ka jing thombor lagi dei ki ABVP lani ki wei ki guru kidai ban kem mardor ya ki pulet kumba plai hak jaka bakin yada ya ki student ki yada ban ya ki brio ki bawan ban attack apo campus bar ka bangi kwa ban penpau sya ka perthai kolong ba ni demand lani ni dawa ba ka JNU administration ka dai ban rollback lani banweng no ya kata kajing penkiu mardor ya kabai puli hangte hapo JNU.
Universities or any independent public spaces have been under attack under this government. Any place which is a place for independent thinking and secular thinking has been under attack. It's not JNU is the latest one, but before that, if you look at AMU, Aligarh Muslim University, or Jamia Millia, or Manipur University, all these places where people could gather together, discuss things about country and democracy, those are the places which this government wants to shut down almost. So, and JNU incident has been very, it happened in Delhi. Can you imagine a university where people from outside come and try to beat up the students? And for what? These students were just demanding that the public education should be, free or subsidized. Everyone should have access to, and JNU or Jamia or AMU, these universities, even people from villages can study. But this government wants to now turn all these universities into expensive places to study. And moreover, this particular attack has to be seen in a larger thing. If you look at CAA, for instance, Citizenship Amendment Act, which is trying to transform India into a Hindu nation. So all the protests, they want to shut it down. And so that's why we thought that in Shillong also we need to connect all these protests together. Attacks on the universities as well as attack on democratic forces in the country. The shocking thing is the government has filed FIR against the person, the president of JNUSU, who herself was attacked. That actually shows that this government, and if you look at the statements made by ABVP members themselves that they had gone there. They were there. They had, they were supposed to carry sticks and rods. So I don't think there was any attack on, it was not a clash, it was an attack by ABVP. And ABVP is what? ABVP is a part of Sangh Parivar, RSS. And these Hindu fascists do not want any secular voices to speak up in this country. But great thing about India is that they will not win this battle without people resisting it. And that's what is happening all around the country. It's quite interesting that, today you read the news that Prime Minister now cannot come to Assam because the protest, the kind of protest Northeast is doing against various policies, not only CA, basically about their attack on the secular nature of Indian Republic. There should be an independent inquiry about what happened, independent inquiry, not inquiry which, we know how independent these days inquiries are being. Get a judge, get an independent judge, inquire what happened. But the evidence is right there before you. You see even, you can see the WhatsApp groups where people are discussing, let's go and attack them. And this is dangerous. Today they can do it in Delhi. Tomorrow what stops them from attacking people in other places? Delhi at least is in news. What is happening in UP? UP, more than 200 people are in prison. People have been shot dead from point blank range. It's almost that rule of law under this government. There's nothing called rule of law under this government. This government is behaving not like a government of people of India, but it's behaving like a government of Sangh Parivar. That's it. Whatever Sangh Parivar wants, today the kind of laws they are bringing, tomorrow they'll bring anti-conversion law. What is going to happen? And that's why these protests are important. If we do not express our opinion, they will win. So everywhere from Shillong to small towns, and protests are happening. And I'm so happy that protests are happening in Shillong also. I studied in Delhi University during the time when Babri Masjid was happening. These RSS people would bring the gundas from Delhi, and they would, and if we had an exhibition of, secular art, and they attacked it. It's premeditated. They just want you to shut up. That is their strategy. And if you don't shut up, that's our victory. And that's why JNU is so important. That people in JNU or Jamia or AMU or Bombay University, students actually have become the barometer of change in this country. And what students are doing, they have finally decided that enough is enough. You cannot take away our subsidized education. You cannot force us not to speak. They are showing films, they are writing, they are speaking out so publicly. And that's the admirable thing. And that's why this government is worried now. this government is truly worried. If you look at the way this government has been functioning, why did they, it's almost like a frustration. You send gundas and you think that people will shut up. No, they didn't shut up. You look at that after that attack, whole JNU came out. Not only JNUs, people from outside came and supported them. So, this government is truly worried. And today what the news about Mr. Modi not being frightened to come to Northeast is a great sign. It actually shows that protests are having effect.
Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rashe pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ngi em hakajok kabaki khon samla jungi kemla ban khmilan ti sho tangi ka kam sarkar Henry kala dai ru gajong ban phai khmat no saki wei pat ki kam ki badang paho karai hakani kajala ka ba ki babon ki rew shampang ki juong ya kata ka kentien kajala ka badap karai da kadot bat kangam kata kalong ka khubor ban yang no hala ki jongki kijan ladangi ong kerdo kam sarkar kamot pat baki khon jungi kin khan sting no ya ka pule puthi Henry to kan mau ba ka jingdang jing start ru kalong ka bakongsan ha kino ki kam bangitre komju haka kai pateng ban khni no yo lakam na ki weipan bat ban tre hi no yaki wat la ki de ki kam ki bangim pa jutre lengba ka ni ka khobor ngin pen i shapi ya ka wei ka nuksa lengba wei samla khasi ubala phai khmat chaka kam ka ba ngi kum ki khasi dang duna ki batre ya ka ni ka kam bat la ban ong ba khandai point khandai % hite dang tre be tang da ki bar jela kata ka de ka kam khaps nyu bat uneu samla sambor lang nong klau ubashong basa hamen road jingking nong thma shilong hakabanta ka baha bakashnong lom sopho
te ngapoi seng yakani ka kam na malba ka kwa bakiwi khna samla kini kiu lang kani ka kam umju ha ka bai dei batha beautician
usamla sambor lang nong klau ula pendep yak jing hikai khaps nyu bat ki wei de ki jing sha hikai hakikam ki bai dei bat ka beautician na shabar jala Henry hadin bola pendep yak jing sha hikai bat wan phai no shalayeng shamla hon pat ban bore ya kasab bat ya kajing sempang jo u hakan ka kam tang halade Henry kajing mo che perkhat jo u kala khteng banya samlam ya kane shaki wai pat ki para samla kabri u nyotrap khamtam ya ki shenrang na kajing yu i jong u baki babon hi ki batre bat kamai spa na kane ka kam hadu menta kidang bon tang ki barjela kumta haka arpo terek ubnai risau jong snam arajar shipo uneu samla ula seng ya ka skol hikai kaps nyo bat ka beautician haka yingsa jo uhi da ka basdang khandiat ngot ki samla ki basha hikai kanthom ya ki shinrang bat ya kani ka skol ula ai kerteng Sam's Training Center
nadu shabangan ni training hi ngala don kata ka jing thmu ba ondang la dep nang thi adon kata kan sim pangakwa ban ai jing kailem yakibe ki khna samla mo na khani ka state ka jongi hi khnang bangini kiu lang hakani ka kam tahi ka de ka jing thmu jonga bakung san te ka jingwan jong khna hakani ka training center ka nang yai snam ka la nang yai buon oi ho podang sedang kong ti dang yeduna te hadu tau snam arjar khat khan dai mo ti ka nang yai buon nang yai kiu tim ta snam ni don kumba san pho tam ta hi student ki la nang yai kiu habai nu jol ba ki snam bala lek Shinyo balong kuno idong kambane hespa mo nyong kam shinyo badong kambane hespa mo manukong shinyo balong gum for dummy hair number 2 for dry hair 3 dandruff 4 color hair, 5 henna, 6 for frizzy hair, 你当看本来 hair spa 看mustin si benai, sisin si benai, kamtam kini balale straightening, kita use chemical, kita use chemical like straightening, bombing, color, ting idong kan benai hair spa, once in a month, stang itu kita long damage hair, kita long, idong kan benai twice in a month, Day after the black hair spa, ngidong kamban le shampoo, hadin asni. Day baling ngidong kamban le hair spa, namal sinyo long kumlo, long healthy, sinyo long healthy, long smooth and shine. Tadaw ngidong kamban le hair spa. For hair fall, yada na kajing hap sinyo. Day banle kumlo. Ni shampoo siya sinyo. Shampoo hair. 2 dry 50%. 3 section the hair. 4 apply hair spa section by section with medium section. This big section, pay your fishing big section tim long. With medium section, apply hair spa section by section, hair spa cream with emulsify, with emulsification. Kumno ban emulsification? Ita cream emulsify sinyo. The hair spa cream can penetrate shapo jung sinyo. 5 massage the hair. Here for 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Massage the hair. We don't come on massage, gently massage. Nangta 6 give steam. Give steam or hot towel. Hot towel. Nada film steam. Milaban use hot towel. Steam or hot towel for 15 minutes. Nada nangta. Rinse the hair. Hair with normal water. With normal water. Murkumno, no shampoo, no conditioner. Nang kambale shampoo, nang kambale conditioner. Saitang dako suda. Kayo fidile conditioner la ni shampoo. Nang kambale shampoo. No shampoo or conditioner. Without shampoo or conditioner. Nang ta 8 towel dry 80%. 9 apply serum. After that, dadam to 10 style the hair. Da ada kita ni dei ban ong iklan sklo arsin dong kamban le shampoo. Mo dong kamban le shampoo hadin arsin. Mo
Nado usnam arjar sipau hadu kini kisngi bamenta labon ngot kisamla kan thai bat senrang kilayo jing mentoy nakani ka skol khamtam kitu ki bawan nakalong yeng baduna kayo kakon hakaba kimton kamsho banet sabar jela hanrei tang hala ka jong ka jela kilala banyo jing hikai hakani ka kam
ngakarteng ke pamsong pat ngasa ateha nong thumai te ka wei ka jing semua jonga mangawan hani tening hi kadai koi kementa mo kementa kapor banwat ki kakam ke ai ru la jenjar kementa mangin ap kam sarkar ke ai te kementa mo kumni ngidang yo kalat te ngiwan hani ke ngila wan seng kam la jong ngila man seng kam la jong te ngila ban yeng la kejar ban long kamai kan tadi namar ke gibril ngidang kam ke jong kamai hi te kawai ru ala subyang hi bawan hani terning ngalas ala yo sibun ki cictep spang kan ikalan te kumman ningkong ru ningkong te ngintep imo sukap snyu ngikwa am kap snyu tamba ngintep re ngimut nginang mut be besukap te dalawan hani pa terning miso ila ikai kai kabangi ngintep sudu kum pistai ai fashion kumta fashion ngilanang mantep nanang tep te entama kum kene kapor kim yayok kam na ate kabyang bakin nang sedang la kajong hi ka business bakin la banyeng la kajong ki kejat jongki
kakateng jonga kadai ka Agnes Mary Lindo ngasong sa halai kor bat ngawan kanik training nama ngasong tenat bat ngalai ilu baki bun ki brio hangni kidon kam ni kani kajing training nama bun ki ba apang kam sarkar handrengi kat ko mangili ki kenthengi don kam shibun bangen yang la kajong ka kejat bangin pen bangi ru ngila hi ban yang ban sedang ya business la jong tanggung tahi
kepatai kita sebagai training bayu anu kono pisno kalau training ba ai ba sa
hakani ke training bangawan mentate kay rap shibun yang nama isa ru ilahi kai bhayangi ban ila snu thu bhaya ke baro kat baning kong te ngadang kam ngadang mut ba jing kam shnyu ka dei tang ba shukhap kum tu la biang henrei menta dang lawan hang ni la batai bha bale kumta kumnu ban penirap ini ki kenthe ban long kumta ba ila ikai ru yang ishibun bangem dei ban dipen tang haki we ni de ban yang la ka jong ka khat hiru
kai ka message before ni you
kani ka message te nga kwa ban ong ba ni dei ban yang la ka jong ka khat hi ya ka kanu ka kam ru bang isdang ban ni dei ban sedang adu ka men sim bang penslore ikiwe bang ni dei ban le ya ke bale ni de bandon jingmut bajing thmuru
kidon ki bawan nang thain smith ti kidon ki bawan nai ne ki thain maulai ti na like den kot ti na ki bul sha ki we ki thain ru na po manipur na po nepal kidon kitahi
kumbakalong hadu menta kibalawan sa hikai hakasam training center kiladon chispa sa phunrungon bat nakine khandai puwei ngot kila pendap ru ya kajing sahikai kibadai na kaleng kisnong na kani kanong ba shalong bat na kithan nong kondong ru kumjo bat ki yo ru na ki certificate na kani ka skol kanang bakin sok ha ba ki shimram na ki bang bat menta bon na ki kila sengru la ki jong ki dukan bat persang banyeng hala ki jong ki kijam
jingwan training jong ah jin sha kalong na bentak ta bangin trei ka kam ka jam ma ko ong no parthai menta man su shong hayeng kham kam jam ru kam so ya ha tingiwan khana hang ni bangin yo kata ka training ko ong no hang ni ki ai ka training jong adika hair cutting bat ka beautician course ndai tingiwan khana hang ni ru long ta ken dang la dab ya ni ka training khanang bangin yo bangin sedang ken ya ka kam ka jam la jong namar bangin su shong do makana bangin la ya puli makana ru ka parthai menta bangin su up than tang na ka kam tang na do jongki we ko on ko kam government la ne ba pin su trade ka kam tam ko on no ka kam ka bangi trade de jin sang ni ban long kata ka kam ka bangi snutanat hinna la dia kan khanang bala dangi trade makana ru longin la bangin pin or long kan ya kata ka kam ka bangi trade ti ngai la dir kum ka jingwan jong hang ni ru long no banga kwa bangan wan ya ni ka kus ti ngalalik teng hiru shawai tang ba ngakwa ban bangan kampen tebit susu nya la dia teng sawan hang ni kanya po ka training jong isam jong isa
ngawan training hang ne ngang kwa ban wat ka ban yeng ni kejat la jong ban kersan ya la dehi kum shinrang kamtam ngi shinrang kasidang bun ba duna ban trekum gane kejat kam ta
ngirum kwa ban mi susu gi kena ban mi nang ne ban bu ye dukan ajong ban tre sine khantam po mi khalia kham nang bon pe duna mut ban pelanjong la de da la pas nang ne ngamut ban pli ke dukan la jong stay sinong jong ade na te na jawai nang te sa sine
ti na du snam arjar shpo ti la shim snam ti la dap shpo snam arjar pho la dap shpo snam te hadum ta nga khampat da bu record bha kat nu ngot ki bala pas nang na kan ni ka training center te la kumdu su anta thi la poi ya ka lais ba te haki tu snam bala lek te khambun hi ki kan thai te na du kinik snam arjar khat nyo khat phra khat khandai ti kishin rang kelas dang ban wan sakmat mo ban ya simbentalam hakni ka kam ban wan sha hi kai tim kham tam tau snam kila nang ye kiu kishin rang pe ni clients kwa le tang face massage mo face massage ndong kam ban le tang only 10 minutes nya cha da kom Kennedy cleanser use only cleanser but massage cream ma dito massage cuma 10 minutes tinggi dia berjam tengah yut nyonang ni pressure point ti nang ni khmat hi te ngai le hi ban kan nang yai snam te ngai le hi ban yai pen he ya kan ni ka institute ka jonga kat kum dala plilat ti ban lo te tai kan sanang la hi kan suki
kajing mi kum kini ki breu ki bam parkhat tang yele de shiman hanrei ki badan ru kata kaman sem banya samlam ya kajing nang jing tep se ki parado parasnam kan long shisha kajing ker khu ki samla kan ni ke jella lada baro ki badan sab bat ki bashampang hakano kono kakam kidan kaman se manya samlang kumne bat ki weipat ki para trairi trai mulok klempap hakawai kisngi ki trairi trai mulok ke jela Meghalaya kin sabat hi yeulakam habaro ki kam kumjo hakakai pateng
te hakani por bom ta te kamju ju kham smoken bandan kumta te kumin swa mo kum ba fiong banwan khap snyu hu khasi hi ki shapti te ngapem ta bun sin hi mo ngam ta nga khap snyu bun sin ki wan ki khasi ban khap snyu mo ki kan thai na shenrang na ki bun hi ki khasi ha nga bwan tai ti kum dan su ta ka jing shapti ngan bong ba sha khap thlen ne ni tai